children, in previous class you learnt lesson Nasruddin, isn't it? Can you read that lesson? Yes. See there, today we will see related exercises. See here, page number 48. Read and enjoy. Here is the given picturized story. I'll read the story first. See there. One day the king forced Nasruddin Huza to go on a hunt with him. Next picture, see there. When the hunting party returned in the evening, it was wonderful. It was wonderful. See there. How did the hunt go? He asked. Next, see there. Did you kill any animal? No, he says no. Here, next picture, see there. Did you chase any animal? He says again no. You see in the next page. He asked, did you see any animal? No. Again he said no. Next, then why do you say the hunt was wonderful? Oh, my dear, when you go to hunt such dangerous animals, it is always marvelous not to come across any. Next, see there. Be a Nasruddin Huza yourself. See there. The old lady was go upstairs, no? That time she fell down. And that boy come and asked, are you hurt? That boy asked, are you hurt? But that lady says, see there, what would you then done if your grandfather slipped? See here, this is about, they are asking you in your home, the older people, means grandmother or grandfather, when they are upstairs, when they are going upstairs, that time, if they fell down, that time what you are doing, they asking. Okay, can you understand? Shall we go next page? Yes. See here in the next page, replace the word or words with a word from the queer and rewrite the sentence. Here queer they given no, this is called queer. In the queer we see the arrows, isn't it? Yes. Here they given some words. Target, certainly, remarked, on. Use these words to replace the bold letter. Here they, in the sentence they given bold letter, isn't it? In that place we have to use these words. See there, first one. In no time she hit the target. We have to write here target. Okay. In no time she hit the target. Okay, like this. I have to write. Next, Nasruddin was surely not a good archer. See there, Nasruddin was certainly. See here, second word is there, no? Certainly not a good archer. You have to write here. Next, the teacher said something about his good handwriting. He felt very happy. Here in the place of said something about, the teacher remarked on. The teacher remarked, here they in the box they given no, remarked on his good handwriting. He felt very happy. You have to write the sentence here. Can you understand? See there. Next, let's write. This is a picture of Rahul Gupta. Using the clues given, write a paragraph about him in your notebook. Here in the picture, can you see? He is Rahul Gupta. In the next page, they are given some clues. Shall we see? Yes. See there in the next page, they are given in the box clues. See, First, Indian cricket 8 hours, practices, eats healthy food, runs 2 kilometers every day, batsman. Use these words and write here sentence. I will write one or two sentences. See here like this. This is Rahul Gupta. He is an Indian. I use these two words, no? Indian, and he plays cricket very well. Next, he plays cricket very well. Like this way, you have to use these words and write here. Do complete. Okay. To complete your set. Next one, see there. This is Raju's family. They are a healthy family. See what each one does to remain healthy. See there. They are doing exercise. Father, mother, Sita. Here their grandpa is walking. Grandma is drinking. Raju is running, isn't it? Can you see in the picture? Yes. Father, mother, Sita, grandpa, grandma and Raju. Related these, in the next day they are given one exercise. Shall we see that? See there in the next page they are given. Use the words and or but and make as many sentences as you can about Raju's family. In the previous page we see no for Raju's family, father, mother, Sita, grandpa and grandma. Use that persons and write here. Use conjunction. Already you learnt conjunction means both are conjunction, and but both are conjunction. Where we use and where we use but already we learnt in first or the second lesson, isn't it? Have you remember? See, and is used when there is a sentence or related. Two sentences are related. Two sentences are related. And we use when the sentences are related. That time we eat at one another. That time we use their and but we use to join the sentence that shows different with each other. First sentence and second sentence both are different, opposite. That time we use the but. Okay, but and is used where when there is a sentences are related. First sentence and the second sentence both are related. That time we use the and but we use the contrast, different. That time we use the but. In previous lesson you learnt, no? Yes. Let us see there. In my example one they given grandpa and grandma get up early in the morning. Grandpa is walking but Raju is jogging. See there. Grandpa and grandma get up early in the morning. They use their and. But here grandpa is walking but Raju is jogging. Grandpa is walking but Raju is jogging. Like that you have to write here some sentence using and but. Okay. I showed one. See there, Sita and Raju exercise daily. First one, see there, Sita and Rajiv exercise daily in the park. This is one sentence. Again see that Sita likes to run. Sita likes to run but Raju likes to Raju likes to walk. Okay. See there. Sita likes to run. But beauty, but Raju likes to walk. See, in the first sentence, Sita and Raju exercise daily in the park. Here I use and here I use but. Like this way, you have to use this conjunction and write a sentence below. Okay, do it in your home. Can we go next? See there, was the arrow pierce the apple? Would you like to see the arrow piercing the red apple? Bring the page close to your face. Touch the star with your nose and then look at the picture. This is do a fun time. Just this is fun time. You have to do yourself. Okay. Can we go next page? Yes. See here in the next page, there's play. Fill in the grid with the words given below. You can use one word more than once. Here in the box, they're given words stick, then bat and ball, 11, table, rocket, ball, stadium, football, 2 to 4, ground. Use these words and fill here. Do complete these boxes. Okay. Grid. See there. Name of the game. Here they given name of the game. Then what you play with. Then where you play it. Then numbers of players. See there. First one, cricket. We use the bat and ball, isn't it? We take a bat and ball and play. Next, where did you play? We play in a stadium. Then how many members are there in a cricket? 11. Like that. See there. Like that. Remaining hockey. We use stick. Then where you play it? We play it in the ground. Next, how many members? 16 members. Table tennis. We use racket. Then where we play on the table and two members, 2 to 4 members. Football, it is we use football to play. Then where we play in the ground. Then how many members? 11 members. Can you understand? Okay. See, they have to write this one. Do complete. Next, using the information in the grid, you write a sentence about each game. One has been done for you. Here they done one. Cricket, first one, see there. Here 4 games, 4 blanks are there. But one they have done. See there. First one, cricket. Cricket is an outdoor game. We play it with a bat and a ball. There are 11 players in this game. Like that, you have to write second one, hockey, then table tennis and football. Do complete it home. Okay. Can we go next? Here they are given blanks. No, you have to write here. Next, see there, the following words are used in various sports. List them and the sports that they are used in. Here they see there, googly, goal, LBW, penalty, free kick, penalty corner. Here see first one, hockey. In hockey they use free kick. Then penalty corner. In cricket there we use googly. Then LBW. Next, football, free kick. No, free kick not, goal. Next, penalty. Okay, can you understand this lesson, children? Okay, related class notes I will send in your WhatsApp group. Okay, thank you.